Bitcoin is once again getting ready for this massive move, and I have this feeling that nobody is going to be expecting what this next Bitcoin move is going to be. A lot of Bitcoin liquidity is right now starting to pile up, so definitely anytime soon a massive move is about to be created. We need to be talking about the ETF flows and also the weekend that is around the corner. So guys, can we once again push up the likes back above the 70 likes? That would be absolutely amazing, and as always, let's first of all have a look into what's that imminent short term. And well, we are basically just still consolidating inside of our symmetrical triangle. Now, a few very important things have actually changed from yesterday. First of all, well, having a look into what's the ETF flows, well, yesterday once again was a pretty good day. Now, it was not like previous week where we literally saw inflows of $600 million in one single day. But well, after seeing this outflows from the ETFs, well, we once again saw $250 million actually coming in. So yeah, that is literally looking pretty good. Now, yesterday I was actually kind of worrying because of this outflow that we got from our ETFs, but once again today, well, we catched it back up with a $250 million buy. Now then, what has also changed from yesterday is that we are creating a lot of liquidity right now. We can start to see that we are forming this yellow box, and every single time that Bitcoin tends to create a lot of liquidity, well, Bitcoin tends to move towards the direction where the majority of the liquidity is actually sitting at. For example, right over here, we could be seeing that we created this yellow box, and right after creating that yellow box, well, we grabbed our liquidity and then once again moved back towards the downside. So right now we are starting to form more and more liquidity right now towards the downside, but also towards the upside. But yeah, this Bitcoin liquidity is right now just confirming the fact that we are on the verge of a massive breakout and that a massive move is going to be imminent anytime soon. I am definitely going to be interested in trading this breakout either towards the upside or towards the downside. And what we are just seeing is that we are just consolidating in some kind of a range over here, waiting to decide if we are either going to be seeing this break towards the upside, and if we are going to be seeing this next leg towards the upside being created, or if we are going to be seeing a break towards the downside, and in that case see a smaller correction right there until eventually once again moving towards the upside. Either way, well, this breakout is going to be deciding in which direction the next Bitcoin move is going to be. Now, one very important thing to definitely do keep in mind is that we are on the verge of a weekend once again, and if we are going to be entering the weekend, well, it is going to be more likely that we are going to be seeing fake outs. So if we are going to be breaking out during the course of a weekend, well, most likely I'm not going to be trading the breakout. But yeah, if that is going to be happening, I'm going to be updating you about that exactly. Definitely do be aware of that. Now, for my next Bitcoin trade, well, I'm going to be sharing it exactly in my VIP group. So I've been talking about this for quite some time already, but I'm going to be launching this free VIP group where I'm going to be sharing my exact Bitcoin trade. And I will only be opening this group for a limited time only, because honestly, I want this group to be very exclusive. The value that will be provided in this group is going to be immaculate. Now, I just have to be very honest with you. There is one small little step that you need to do in order to get in towards this group. And you can be finding the link of this forum down below in the description. But yeah, all you need to do is pretty much sign up a new account on DEEPCOIN and execute at least one trade. The size and the contract, etc., it doesn't matter. It can even be $1, but just one little trade. And once you have done that, well, you just fill out this form over here, and I will be contacting you within about 24 hours. Now, the exchange DEEPCOIN is very similar to Bybit, but it just does not have any restrictions. It has no KYC, so that is a thing that I very much like about this exchange. So make sure to check out the link down below, fill out this form, and I hope to see you this evening inside of the group. Now, for the longer term, well, we can once again start to see that corporations are starting to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and now also Matic. Yesterday, Reddit has added these cryptocurrencies to their balance sheet. Now, honestly, they are not buying a lot, but definitely this is just the beginning, because there are going to be way more companies right now out there which are also going to be following Reddit. So I just think that this is only going to be the beginning right now. And on that weekly time frame, well, because of this kind of retrace back towards the downside, well, we could be seeing some kind of a fake out right now outside of this Fibonacci golden pocket level of resistance. Of course, this level of resistance has been the most important level to be breaking above, because if we are going to be confirming this breakout above this level of resistance, well, that is just going to be indicating the beginning of the parabolic bull market. So yeah, let's see how this 2-weekly candle will be closing, because yeah, we definitely do want to be breaking above this level of resistance. And if we are just going to be seeing a fake out, well, we could still see some kind of a correction right here in the longer term. So that is going to be very important to have a look towards. Now, a little bit of a shorter update video today, but in the imminent short term, just not a whole lot is happening. The only thing which has been happening is the ETF flows have been changing up just a little bit, ever so slightly, and also we are creating our liquidity. So yeah, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development, and guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.